If you're tired of messy cables dangling from your wall-mounted TV, the dual outlet in-wall cable management system offers a simple solution that transforms your space instantly. Designed specifically for flat-screen LED, LCD, and plasma TVs, this kit hides unsightly wires behind the wall, giving your setup a sleek, professional look. What makes this system stand out is its dual power outlets. Whether you want to power two TVs or a TV and an audio accessory like a soundbar, this kit has you covered. No more juggling multiple cords or dealing with cluttered power strips on your floor or entertainment center. Installation is surprisingly easy, even if you're not an electrician. The system includes snap-together power connectors, so you don't have to mess with complicated wiring. Just cut two drywall openings, one for the outlet and one for the connector, install the components, and run the included cables behind the wall. The whole process is straightforward and designed for DIY enthusiasts. Safety and compliance are crucial when dealing with in-wall wiring, and this product delivers. The included in-wall power connect cable and 6-foot power cord meet electrical code requirements, so you can trust it's up to standard without worrying about hidden risks or needing professional installation. Keep in mind, this kit doesn't include HDMI or other low-voltage audiovisual cables. It focuses on power management, letting you pair it with your preferred AV cables to complete your setup. That way, you get flexibility without unnecessary extras. The recessed wall mount plates are another smart feature. They sit hidden behind your flat-screen TV mount and are compatible with the thinnest TV mounts and screens on the market today. This means you won't add bulk or interfere with your sleek wall-mounted design. Users across the United States have praised this system for working exactly as advertised. One homeowner installed it behind a new 65-inch flat screen and was thrilled with the clean look. They appreciated not needing an electrician and found the installation process to be quick and hassle-free. The two drywall cutouts are easy to manage, and the system's design allows the device wires to run neatly behind the wall, connecting to a nearby outlet on the other side of the stud. This clever setup keeps everything out of sight, so your living room looks tidy and modern. If you're looking to upgrade your TV installation without the mess of visible cables, this system delivers what you need. It's a top-rated product that combines safety, convenience, and aesthetics in one package. The 6-foot length of the in-wall cable offers enough reach for most standard installations, providing flexibility in where you place your outlets and equipment. This means you can position your TV and accessories exactly where you want without worrying about cable length limitations. Worth a look if you value a clean, professional appearance for your entertainment area. No more tangled cords, no more eyesores, just a neat, polished setup that enhances your space and your viewing experience. Try it when you're ready to simplify your home theater or living room setup. The dual outlet in-wall cable management system gives you a streamlined, cable-free look without the hassle or expense of hiring an electrician. In short, this system changes how you manage power for your wall-mounted TVs and AV accessories. It's practical, reliable, and designed to blend seamlessly with modern home designs. By investing in this cable management solution, you're not just tidying up your space, you're also protecting your cables and outlets from damage and wear. Hidden wiring means less chance of accidental unplugging or tripping over cords. Plus, the clean lines and concealed cables can even add to your home's value by showcasing a thoughtful, high-quality installation. It's a small upgrade with big visual impact. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a straightforward way to improve your TV area, this system fits the bill. No complicated tools or skills required, just a clean, elegant finish that lasts. If that's you, someone who wants the best-looking, safest, and easiest cable management for wall-mounted TVs, this system deserves your attention. It's a practical choice that checks all the boxes without unnecessary fuss. In the end, the dual outlet in-wall cable management system delivers on its promise. A clean, organized, and code-compliant solution that enhances your home entertainment setup. Consider it the smart way to power your TV and accessories, while keeping your walls clutter-free.